international pageant is going to kick off this month and I cannot hold my breath. Well, this might be the case with you pageant fans as well. The pandemic has certainly irritated all the pageant aficionados by putting all the international pageants on hold except the Miss Earth pageant, the 20th edition of which is going to culminate virtually this November 29th. The pre-pageant activities of Miss Earth 2020 is going to begin by next week and we have had 40 confirmed delegates till date and we could not be more excited. Welcome back to my channel guys, I am Vagisha Mishra. If you are new to the channel, I review and decode beauty pageants at my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also turn on the bell icon so you'll be the first to get notified whenever a review on beauty pageant or any pageant preparation tips is uploaded at my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my top 10 favorites for Miss Earth 2020 and I will be discussing my opinions on the delegates whom I think will be doing great at Miss Earth 2020 pageant. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. At number 10, I have Lungo Khatete from South Africa. I love the way she embraces her individuality. I like the way she smiles and her pictures in her feed make her look extremely graceful. I see her doing exceedingly great at the Beauty of Face round. She comes across as a welcoming person and she has the air of positivity in her personality. At number 9, I have Stephanie Zreck from Venezuela. Looking at Venezuela's consistency at the Miss Earth pageant, it looks like Venezuela is again going to perform brilliantly at the Miss Earth pageant. With Stephanie, Venezuela is sending an amazing candidate who has promising runway skills, amazingly fit body and great styling. As of now, I do see a placement on the cards of Venezuela. At number 8, I have Crystal Badillo from Puerto Rico. With Puerto Rico establishing a victorious feat last year at the Miss Earth pageant, it looks like the country is not going to settle down for less this year as well. The expectations from the country are certainly high. With Crystal Badillo wearing the sash of Puerto Rico at the Miss Earth 2020 pageant, I definitely feel that she can pull off a placement with her poised feature, fit body and photogenic face. But will she reach the top 5? I am not convinced yet. However, as the competition begins and the pageant starts taking its shape, it will be more clear to understand how Puerto Rico is transforming into a promising candidate. So all eyes on her. At number 7, I have Kelly Avila from Costa Rica. Costa Rica was one of the very few countries to have crowned their Miss Earth 2020 representative quite early. Looking at Kelly, she seems like a beautiful and vivacious candidate. Her fitness is remarkable and her social media presence as well seems to befit the standards of being a beauty queen. She has a raw and natural beauty which is certainly very tempting to behold, and I see her doing extremely well at the Miss Earth pageant. At number 6, I have Thais Bergimini from Brazil. Brazil never disappoints whenever it comes to beauty pageants, and after crowning such a stunning candidate like Thais at Miss Earth Brazil 2020, I am extremely excited to see how she's going to represent the country at the coming edition of the Miss Earth pageant. Having a look at her Instagram feed, she seems very polished, well prepared and confident candidate to enter the battle of Earth warriors. She looks cheerful, vivacious but at the same time quite fierce, and this is the balance we are looking for in any representative who is representing the country internationally whenever we are looking for a beauty queen. Although having said that, I haven't heard her talking lately, so I do not know how she's going to perform in the interviews, but looking at her overall personality and charm, she seems to be a strong candidate and can be considered in the radar of the frontrunners. At number 5, I have Anyansi de Gracia from Panama. Wow, I was super impressed with her pictures. If she looks so vivacious on camera in the pictures, imagine how beautiful she might be looking in person. Her posture, her fitness, her styling and her overall personality is top-notch. Her social media presence as well seems to be quite impressive. Latin American countries always perform extremely well whenever it comes to runway. So I'm expecting a great performance from her end in the preliminary competition. Now at number 4, I have Tanvi Kharote from India. Tanvi was my absolute favorite when she was contending for Miss Earth India crown, and she has a beautiful face, charming aura and unmatchable runway skills. I like how she poses and I love how she talks. She sounds humble, convincing and dedicated, and these are the qualities we are looking for while we continue our quest of finding any new beauty queen. She has never disappointed in any of the photo shoots and her communication skills are at par. I definitely believe that Tanvi can end India's drought at Miss Earth pageant because she is a great performer and she is a great speaker as well. If she is given a chance to perform well in the finals, she will definitely go ahead in the competition. All eyes on her. At number 3, I have Guinevere Chioma from Nigeria. I love the grave and somber expressions on her face whenever she is posing for the photo shoots. The way she gazes at the camera is simply mesmerizing. Most of her photo shoot pictures are celestially refined and she looks great in varied expressions and attires. However, I am yet not convinced with her overall corporeal frame because we have seen very strong candidates like Tejaswini Manogana not making it far in the competition, maybe because she lacked in the beauty of form pre-pageant activity. Since Nigeria is sending a very promising candidate at the Miss Earth 2020 pageant, I completely hope and pray that when she enters the competition, she is extremely well prepared and polished enough to give a tough competition to her fellow contestants and give them a run for their money. Her overall personality is quite befitting and I would not be surprised if she makes it to top 3 or even end up winning the crown of Miss Earth 2020. At number 2, I have Roxanne Allison Bays from the Philippines. As I discussed in my previous video where I have talked about Roxanne in greater length, I completely believe that she has the ability to win the Miss Earth title, and if she goes on to win the Miss Earth crown, I will not be surprised at all. She has a very soothing and calming beauty, and whenever you gaze at her, you want to look her more and more because she has the tempting aura to behold. Performance-wise as well, Roxanne seems to be a very promising candidate because she performed exceptionally well in all the rounds at the Miss Earth Philippines 2020 pageant, and she is one of the candidates whom we should look for when it comes to the evening gown round or the swimsuit round. I am overall convinced with her candidature and I extremely love the idea of her advocacy where she promotes the organic farming among the people during the given situation of the pandemic. As of now, she is logged in the Elemental Court or may even end up as the winner of Miss Earth pageant. And my current number 1 for Miss Earth 2020 is none other than Lindsay Coffey from the United States of America. It's high time that USA now wins the Miss Earth pageant. The country has held several elemental titles and placements and ended up winning the first runner position last year as well. But it is high time that the country finally gets its elusive Miss Earth crown this year. Talking about Lindsay Coffey, I certainly believe that if not her, then who is going to achieve this feat? She single-handedly stands out in the competition, and with her promising demeanor, she stands out very effectively. We cannot ignore her in the crowd. The way she walks and the way she talks is simply mesmerizing, and we have no words to describe how beautiful she is when it comes to performance as well as overall appearance. Her photo shoot pictures just act as the cherry on the cake, and her playful expressions and graceful yet fierce aura scream crown contender. I would be more than happy if USA finally walks home with the Miss Earth title. So these are my pre-arrival favorites for Miss Earth 2020 pageant. The pageant will begin virtually by September 21st and we shall see significant changes in the leaderboard once the pageant commences. The pageant will culminate on November 29, so we have a lot of time to analyze all the candidates and how they shape and transform in the given period of the time. Do let me know in the comment section who are you rooting to be the next Miss Earth, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please ensure you do and turn on the bell icon so as to not miss any update. Also, I have recently changed the platform name from the Kaleidoscope of Pageantry to Pageants with Vagisha on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I have left the link in the description box below. So ensure to follow me on all social media outlets, and I will see you guys next time with a new video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.